This morning we're just going down onto the track for a bit of a canter. Got the lightning ridge at the back here, in the middle's diamonds and furs, and axles up front there on Fragrant Storm. And this is Astral Flower. On the left is Fragrant Storm, and bringing up the rear is the Lightning Ridge, the colt. As you can see, they're all going well. The Lightning Ridge and Fragrant Storm probably have a week left, and the other filly's going home in a week too. She's had a month's work. This is the Lightning Ridge. You saw us kind of gone a little bit woody in the coat on us. He got a bit of ringworm and came from a stud, but I don't know, he's just gone backwards. He looks, condition wise he's alright, but just the coat looks rough. He's going well. He needs a spell next week, but he's cool, this horse, he's quiet. Nothing's upset him so far. As you can see, the horse looks well enough. His coat's got a gloss to it, but he just looks woody and hard in the coat, and it happens to 1 or 2 horses a year. It seems to take him a little while to get over it, but he is going nicely. I think he just wants a good spell.